Welcome to the series finale of Cooking with Coaches. Here with Coach Davis on Memorial Day. And as you notice, I've got my sunglasses on.
And I see you have no sleeves on. Why would that be, Coach? What's a saying that goes with a day like today?
I think it's sun's out, guns out.
That's exactly right. Sun's out, guns out.
And you know, the sunglasses are to protect the eyes from bright. And speaking of bright, our senior class of 2020, we want to give a shout out to those guys. You've got a bright future. It's been a great time coaching you, teaching you, and we wish you all the best. So,
Amen to that.
Seniors of 2020, I know you got cheated a little bit, but you got a bright future ahead of you. So, what we're gonna do today, Coach? You wanna explain this, and maybe I'll.
So here's what we got going on today. We're gonna do skewers on the grill. So we have cubed up chicken breast, chicken thighs, and steak pieces that I have marinated. We put some seasonal on it, some garlic powder, a little bit of hot sauce because we love hot sauce. I put some soy sauce in there and then Italian dressing. So we've been letting this sit for couple hours in the fridge. So we're just kind of marinating this. And I put some basil in there just to add some flavor as well. Okay? The other thing we got here is...
Your teacher, Mrs. Davis, was kind enough to chop up the peppers for us. Coach chopped up the onions. So we're gonna be putting this all on skewers.
And so just a little known fact, you can't put a wooden skewer on a grill unless you want it to be charred. I mean, it's just gonna like burning wood. So it's recommended that you soak these skewers in water for approximately a half hour or so. So we've had these in water, I bet for almost an hour now. So we're just gonna take these out and let them dry there. We got potatoes that we're putting on the skewers as well, along with the meat and vegetables. And the other thing we made, Coach, was what?
We made some pasta or some potato salad.
Red potato salad. It's my favorite. So, talk to you real quick about the ingredients. Not going to show you how we made it. Boiled some potatoes after we cubed them up. Let them cool. Put in Dijon mustard, dill, mayonnaise, and sour cream. And if you look up in instructions on how to make this, they'll give you all the serving sizes, but as you know with us, we don't follow any of that, so I just did it to what it looked like to me and made it a little creamy, but I like it that way as opposed to being dry anyway. So we just mixed that up, added salt and pepper. This is going to go in the fridge and that'll be ready to serve for dinner. So do you want to do one of the skewers, show them how to do that, and then we'll come back when they're all ready to go on the grill.
So you need a vegetable first or meat first?
You can, any way you want, Coach.
Let's throw an onion on the top here.
All right.
Just take a piece of this onion here.
Be careful. You can get stuck right there and gets hurt when you get stuck.
So now, yeah, it does. You don't want to get stuck.
No.
Now, Coach.
Yeah.
I'm going to go with chicken first here.
Okay.
So, if you're chicken, do you stab in the front or do you?
Oh, definitely in the back. Yeah,
so
you
backstab
stab that in the back. Yep.
Okay.
Absolutely. Because
Okay.
the chicken, you got to make sure you get all of that on there.
Okay, got it.
There you
got
go.
It there.
Yep.
And we're gonna go. I mean, we can't just go. You could go 2 meats in a row, but
No.
we like the flavor of vegetables.
Here we're going to add a potato onto that as well. We just softened those up, put those on there. You want to do another piece of chicken? We're going to do meat one separate because I think the meat is going to cook quicker.
Okay.
And we don't want to dry that out.
We'll do different between chicken and steak.
Yep, they'll have 2 different kinds. Yep.
That's the back. We'll backstab that one.
So you want another piece of onion and another pepper?
Yeah. Do we? Do we want to get 2 or 3 pieces of chicken?
Let's go 3 pieces of chicken.
Okay. So let's go onion or pepper here, and then we throw another.
Yeah, let's throw another piece of chicken on, Coach, and
Yep.
then so this is that the back? Yep, I think it is. Yep, stab that right in the back. So we have white meat and we have dark meat, and then we have steak. So that's our skewer right there. We're gonna put those Once we get them all ready, put those right on the grill. And now when you're dealing with raw chicken, which some of you will be very familiar with dealing with chickens, you gotta wash your hands constantly. You cannot touch raw chicken meat and then start touching other things, because you can get a lot of food illnesses and things of that nature.
So we're gonna take a break, and
Yep.
our cameraman's gonna come back and investigate us on the rest of this whole issue here, and we'll be back in a little bit. Welcome back. We've got our skewers here. We prepared 20.
For the class of
20 was a special number for the class of 2020. So we've got 20 skewers here. We've got chicken in some of them, we've got beef in others. So the chicken is going to be cooking a little longer than the beef.
So all we're gonna do is just lay them down on the grill and let them go to work.
You know, as
You can hear
As
that
true,
sizzling already.
true lifting professionals like we are, I would help you out here, but after that bicep workout that we crushed, as you could tell, looking at
Clearly.
these buys, I gotta just focus on holding this plate up.
Absolutely.
You know, and some of our viewers may be like, you know, hey, Coach Wenrick, or Coach, I think still Coach, right?
Yeah.
For now. Are you flexing?
Nope.
No, man.
That's how you
That's
live.
just how I am.
That's how you live. All right, we're gonna put these on the grill for now. We'll let some of the other meat ones.
Hang on,
We got another chicken one.
last
Okay.
one.
There we go. So that is there on the grill. We're going to be turning them every so often, and when the chicken ones are getting closer to done, we'll put the beef ones on there, and we'll show you our end product when we're all done on the
So
season
hey,
finale. Or,
how much longer are we gonna let these on here until we come back and investigate it?
well, that's the funny thing about an investigation. You just don't know how long.
So
I would say we're probably going to turn these every couple minutes.
okay, and then if we perceive that they're done,
Well, perception is reality, so I would say if we perceive that the chicken is done, because all the other things will be done,
then we can start
then we
throwing
can start
this stuff on.
yeah, then we can throw that stuff on
Okay.
too. If not, a little bit earlier, so we can all, have it all done together and we can eat a great meal together.
Well, I just don't want to jump the gun. You know that.
Yeah, because chicken's important. You got to make sure that get cooked all the way through.
Yeah.
We did not boil that or anything, so it's got to cook on the grill. So
I don't want to perceive that it's done and then jump the gun on it and
eat raw chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gross. Yeah. So we'll take our time, do it right, and then when we're all done, you'll see the final product of greatness.
Sounds good. And that's that's the beauty of communication between us.
Work together.
We'll see you then. All right, welcome back. We are now ready to take the shish kebabs off the grill.
We're gonna bring that plate over
Yep.
because I'm afraid some of these vegetables might fall off.
We threw the chicken up top as
Let me take
the
some of these
vegetables
off.
looked like they were about to be, well, they looked like they were about to burn, so we threw that up on top and threw our beef on.
So these are our finished products. They look delicious. Little chicken beef kebabs, grilled for our outside cooking.
Season finale, or
This
series
is it.
finale.
Series finale.
Series
This
finale.
is it, Coach. We're done.
So on our season finale, we just want to give one more shout out to who are the special people we're trying to shout out for
Let's go to the seniors of 2020.
of 2020. Listen, it's been a fun series. Hope you learned something, or at least had fun watching us.
Yeah, you may not have learned a thing, but you could realize we don't measure a thing. We love to eat, and hopefully you had a good time with a lot of our humor. So thanks for having us on your computer, and that's it.